Are you an Indian student dreaming of studying in Canada but feeling overwhelmed by the visa process? Studying abroad can be a life-changing experience, and Canada is an excellent choice for many reasons. From its diverse culture to its high-quality education system, Canada has a lot to offer. But, applying for a student visa can be a daunting task, especially for Indian students. That's why, in this video, we'll break down the entire process into simple, manageable steps. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what documents you need, how to apply, and what to expect during the entire process. So, let's get started. Getting a student visa for Canada involves several steps, but if you're well prepared and follow the right process, you'll be studying in Canada in no time. In this video, we'll cover everything from researching the right institution to applying for your study permit. We'll also discuss the required documents, financial requirements, and tips on managing your finances while studying abroad. If you're new to our channel, consider subscribing for more content on studying abroad, and let's dive into the first step of the visa process. Researching and selecting the right educational institution in Canada is a crucial step. With so many universities and colleges to choose from, it can get overwhelming. So, the first thing you need to do is research. Look for institutions that offer your desired course, and make a list of your top choices. You can check the university's website, talk to current students or alumni, and even attend education fairs to get more information. When researching, make sure to check if the institution is accredited by the relevant authorities in Canada. This is essential because if the institution is not accredited, your degree might not be recognized. You can check the institution's website or contact them directly to confirm their accreditation status. Another important factor to consider is the location of the institution. Do you prefer a bustling city or a smaller town? Are you comfortable with extreme winters or prefer milder climates? These are all important questions to ask yourself when selecting an institution. Lastly, consider the tuition fees, living costs, and scholarship opportunities. Canada can be an expensive country, so it's essential to have a clear understanding of your finances before making a decision. Moving on to the next step, let's discuss the required documents needed for the visa application. The documents required for a Canadian student visa can vary depending on your individual circumstances, but there are some essential documents that you'll need to provide. The first and most important document is your acceptance letter from a designated learning institution in Canada. This letter is proof that you've been accepted into a Canadian university or college. Next, you'll need to provide proof of identity, which includes a valid passport, birth certificate, and national identity card. You'll also need to provide proof of language proficiency, such as IELTS or TOEFL scores. Another crucial document is the proof of funds. You'll need to show that you have enough money to cover your tuition fees, living expenses, and other costs while studying in Canada. In addition to these documents, you may need to provide additional information, such as police certificates, medical certificates, or proof of ties to your home country. Common mistakes to avoid when submitting your documents include incomplete applications, incorrect or false information, and insufficient proof of funds. Make sure to carefully review your application before submitting it. Now, let's talk about the process of applying for the study permit. To apply for a study permit, you'll need to create an online account on the Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada website. Once you've created your account, you can submit your application and upload all the required documents. Make sure to carefully read the instructions and follow the guidelines carefully. You can also consult the IRCC website or contact them directly if you have any questions or concerns. When filling out the application form, be honest and accurate. Provide all the required information, and make sure to sign and date the form. Once you've submitted your application, you'll need to pay the application fee, which is currently 150 Canadian dollars. Next, let's discuss the financial requirements for obtaining a student visa. To apply for a student visa, you'll need to show that you have enough money to cover your tuition fees, living expenses, and other costs while studying in Canada. The exact amount of money you'll need will depend on your individual circumstances, but as a general rule, you'll need to show that you have at least 10,000 Canadian dollars to cover your living expenses for the first year. In addition to proving you have enough money, you'll also need to show that you have a plan in place to manage your finances while studying abroad. This includes opening a Canadian bank account, getting a credit card, and budgeting your expenses. Another important factor to consider is health insurance. As an international student in Canada, you'll need to have health insurance to cover any medical expenses. Your university or college may offer health insurance plans, or you can purchase a private insurance plan. Let's talk about the importance of health insurance for international students in Canada. Health insurance is essential for international students in Canada because it can help cover unexpected medical expenses. Accidents can happen, and medical bills can be expensive. With health insurance, you can have peace of mind knowing that you're protected. Many universities and colleges in Canada offer health insurance plans specifically designed for international students. These plans are often cheaper than private insurance plans and can provide comprehensive coverage. In addition to health insurance, you'll also need to have proof of health insurance when applying for your study permit. Next, let's discuss the biometric process required for the visa application. As part of the visa application process, you'll need to provide your biometric data, which includes your fingerprints and a digital photo. You can schedule an appointment at a designated biometric collection service point. When attending your biometric appointment, make sure to bring all the required documents, including your passport, and follow the instructions carefully. Once you've provided your biometric data, you can submit your visa application. Let's wrap up with some information on the estimated processing times for the visa application. The processing time for a Canadian student visa can vary depending on your individual circumstances and the time of year you apply. However, on average, it can take around 2 to 3 months to process your application. Meanwhile, make sure to stay focused on your studies, prepare for your trip, and stay in touch with your university or college. In conclusion, applying for a student visa for Canada involves several steps, but with the right guidance, you can navigate the process easily. In this video, we've covered the entire process, from researching the right institution to applying for your study permit. We've also discussed the required documents, financial requirements, and tips on managing your finances while studying abroad. If you're an Indian student dreaming of studying in Canada, we hope this video has been informative and helpful. If you have any questions or concerns, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content on studying abroad, and check out our other videos on life as an international student in Canada. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.